So yeah, welcome to my new video, and here I want to talk about some important sauce. And as you know, I am Rohit. Like you are able to you are able to read the channel name, and as you know, I am Rohit. So basically, who I am and why I am creating this type of channel and why I am creating this type of video. What is the reason? Basically, what is why? So my why of creating this type of video on this channel, I basically am an Indian guy. As you can see, I'm an Indian and middle class, middle class shit guy who are want to become a who want to become a genius. Basically, I want to earn a lot of money, and my dream is becoming a millionaire, after that becoming a billionaire as well. So I want to start a company, and I know you are assuming that this is every other guy who always come and say, I want to start my own company. I don't want to do 9 to 5 job, stuff like that. But I am not that guy. I started that. I made a lot of money. Like recently I started my own agency, and with that I made a lot of money. Okay, like some lakhs of money. So this is the channel of mine. First of all, I want this is my biggest problem. I don't know how to speak English. So that's the reason why I'm creating this type of video in English, because I want to improve my English. Okay, like it's not like that I don't know English little. I know English little bit, but with practice and with effort I want to improve it. So basically that's the reason why I'm creating this type of video. And like I like creating video like that. Okay, so I like talk to camera. That's the reason why I'm creating this type of video. Okay, so basically now your question is like which type of agency you have, Rohit? So basically I have my own agency which help content creators to monetize their audience as well, and I help content creators to build info businesses. Okay, so that's the reason why I am creating this type of video. And the reason why I want to learn English, because if I know how to speak English, I'm just 18. Okay, so I assume within 6 months, 6 and 7 months I learn English very well. Okay, so after that, I scale my agency to foreign client. Okay, and as you know, in the whole world, every people speak English. I am Indian, so I speak Hindi very well, but English is that language which is speak a lot every a lot of people speaks this language, that language in every country. So that's why I want to learn English. And I'm not I want to clarify that I am not good in English. I am just a normal guy who is fucking drop out the school, and yeah, start recording this type of video and start his agency and learning a lot of sauce, gaining a lot of knowledge, and solve I solved the market gap problem, whatever, which this is the I am that guy. Okay, so basically what I do for content creators. So basically I help content creators to build their info businesses, and with the help of that I earn. So basically I handle everything in backend, marketing to sales to product. I build a product for creators, and I'll market that product for them. And I also I also sell that product for them. So basically I'm a genius. As you know, I'm a genius who is handle everything in backend for content creators. As you know, everyone want to become content creator, and this is the opportunity, and I want to grab this opportunity. That's why I'm creating this type of agency for my fucking blah 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 stuff, whatever. Okay, so this is the reason why I'm creating this type of video. And here I want to document everything in English, because there is a lot of people who speak English who don't know how to speak Hindi, and that's the reason why I am learning English. Like as a normal guy, you want, like, you know, network is very important, and I want to networking with foreigner peoples and other blah 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 stuff. That's why I'm creating this type of video as well. So yeah, of course, if you want to watch me, like, here I am going to journal everything, like, what is my fucking thought in my mind, like, you know, Iman Ghazi, how he journal his life of on YouTube. That's the, like just like this I want to journal myself. So if you want to watch again me, so you can just subscribe me, and I know no one can no one can, no one is watching me, so yeah, I know. So yeah, that's it. So in this video, that's it. I'll meet you into, like, I will meet you tomorrow. Okay, so yeah.